All right, guys, welcome back. We're going to be going over equal lows, which is pretty much the same thing as equal highs. The left leg is going to be lower than the right leg in order for this to be a valid equal low. And just like the equal highs, below the equal low, there's a huge liquidity pool. All right, we have the trend line liquidity. We have the retail pattern where they go long here, right? We have the sell stops, right? And depending where this forms in the market, right, it can play a huge role. Same thing with the equal highs. It just depends where it forms the market. But right now, what we need to understand is, why are equal lows and equal highs, so powerful and they're used a lot. It's because there's so much liquidity, in this case, below the equal lows and on the equal highs, so much liquidity above. It's insane. Right? Simply just a trap, just to say that. But it's the same thing as the equal lows. I mean, as the equal highs, just vice versa. That's it. But that's it for now, guys. On to the next one.